entertaining and fun? Well, I have something perfect for you and your toys. I hope you recycled for the past few days so we can make some fun. Hope you saved cardboard that came out from packages. Now we can make interesting crafts out of it, like this elevator, our cute little toys. So now let's get started. So punch two holes from the puncher, one here and one here. And then if you have the one dowel, just put it into the hole. And then if you see if it comes through here, put it in the other hole, and then it will go through. I made a small box, and then I used the big tape to tape the box all up. And then I punched two holes from the puncher and then tied a knot from these threads. And I made the knot at the end of the thread. So now this part is the one of the lift. I mean, this is going to go up when we make this craft. Right now, this box is ready to make the elevator. So this is the last step. Try to put the wooden dowel into these two holes. That will be a bit complicated. Right now, I'm putting it in. And then now I put it in. And now it's gonna be ready. Put your mini toys in and go for it. It's going up and up and up. And then we go down and down and down. That's how it works. Really cute, right? This can be really playful for kiddos. Now we're done with the craft. This can be really playful for little kiddos. So now this can be really playful for your toys too.